Solve the equation. Root of 1 plus root of 1 plus x equals the cube root of x, where x is a real number. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further, and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. From the equation, we know that x is greater than or equal to 0. 1 plus x is greater than or equal to 0. Clearly, x equals 0 isn't a solution, so x is greater than 0. To solve the radical equation, square both sides of the equation. Repeat the process until there are no radicals of x or substitutions of x in the equation. This process will result in a resulting equation. Solve the resulting equation. Check the solutions with the original equation. Square both sides of the equation. We then have 1 plus root of 1 plus x equals the cube root of x squared. By rearranging this equation, we have root of 1 plus x equals the cube root of x squared minus 1. Square both sides of the equation. We then have 1 plus x equals x to the power of 4/3 minus 2x to the power of 2/3 plus 1. By simplifying this equation, we have x equals x to the power of 4/3 minus 2x to the power of 2/3. Let x to the power of 1/3 equal t. Equation 2 can be written as t to the power of 3 equals t to the power of 4 minus 2t squared. By rearranging this equation, we have t to the power of 4 minus t to the power of 3 minus 2t squared equals 0. we can see that there's a factor of t squared. So we can write t squared times t squared minus t minus 2 equals 0. T squared times t plus 1 times t minus 2 equals 0 by further factorising. So either t equals 0 or t equals minus 1 or t equals 2. Now substitute back t equals x to the power of 1 over 3 and solve for x. Solve x to the power of 1 over 3 equals 0. X equals 0. Verify the solution. X equals 0. It's not a solution of the original equation. Solve x to the power of 1 over 3 equals minus 1. X equals minus 1. Verify the solution. X equals minus 1. It's not a solution of the original equation. Solve x to the power of a third equals 2. X equals 8. Verify the solution. X equals 8. It's a solution of the original equation. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Solve the equation root of 2 minus root of 2 plus x equals x, where x is a real number. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.